Let's bring in Alan Nuckman joining us from bullseyeoption.com. Alan, we got banks firm this morning. The NASDAQ slowing down a bit. Is this the market telling us it's feeling more comfortable about the situation?
Oh, I definitely think so. We've got the markets. If you look at the S&P, we're still holding above that low that we had on that Thursday when this all started. So it's been up and away, positive week last week as we figure this all out. And look at the VIX. The VIX is down here at 25. So there's some positives. But what very few people are paying attention to is you can see a flag upside breakout in technology here. That's kind of leading the way. Let's see if the S&P can follow.
Right now it's trying to. S&P trying to follow the Russell. Up right now about 0.5%. You're trading some tech this morning. You got eyes on Micron. How come, Alan?
Well, like I just said, the flag breakout in its continuation pattern is in tech. If you look at the NDX, it's a great setup and a great breakout. Let's see how it follows through. But there's a lot of upside potential there. So in the last recent weeks, we've talked Cisco. We've talked Intel, and they're up here near their highs, attempting to break out as well. So now I'm going back into the pile. We did the same trade in Micron in November and got a 50-60% gain and a nice move in this stock. So if you look at Micron, it's 40% off its 2022 top, and its PE is still 10. So we've talked about how, for whatever reason, this seems to be a very cheap stock. And you also have a bullish diversion space and a leverage buying here. So this 50 level is a super support to lean on. Okay.
So looking for this latest low to hold. Real strong Thursday. Finished the week real powerful. But the 6 to 9 month chart feels like it's stuck here. You think this thing can get out past 65?
But look at that same pattern is what the NASDAQ was before the breakout. If you look at it this last 6 weeks, it's been, this flag is flying for sure. And now if it can break out of this flag, you have the same setup that you have in tech. So what I'm looking for is I'm going with the June option, the June 50 call. Again, 50 is that super support level. It's $7 in the money. Options trade for about 9.25, somewhere in there. It's got 3 months of time, a 75 delta. And if we just get back, again, we're stuck in this range between 50 and 70. You pointed out. If we just get back to the top end of the range at 70, this option gains 100%.
Okay. All right. So looking for it to make that move. And you don't necessarily, of course, need it to break past that range to make money. Just need it to get to $60, but it sure would be nice if it trades past 65.
Well, that's the way to play. That's the positioning. So you can see the smile on my face because I'm happy to be back at work after watching all those games. That's not trading. That's not probability. That's gambling. This is probability. This is what we can control. We can control our risk. We understand our timing. We understand our probability of success. So this is a whole different game. I'm glad not to be watching games anymore for a couple of days.
Sounds like maybe it was a rough start to your bracket, Alan Nuckman.
Let's not talk about it.
All right. Appreciate the trading talk, though. Okay. With the in-the-money call on Micron, Alan Nuckman. With the bullish trade here on the semiconductor. He's the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. Thanks, Alan.